Understanding the science behind sneezing involves exploring the physiological mechanisms and functional roles of this reflexive response. Definition and trigger. Sneezing is a sudden, forceful expulsion of air through the mouth and nose. It is triggered by irritation or stimulation of the nasal mucosa, often due to foreign particles, allergens, irritants, or infections. Physiological mechanism. The sneeze reflex begins when sensory receptors in the nasal passages detect irritants. These receptors send signals via the trigeminal nerve to the brainstem, specifically the sneeze center in the medulla oblongata. Motor response. Upon receiving sensory input, the brainstem coordinates a series of muscular actions. This includes closing the eyes to protect them from expelled irritants, inhaling deeply, and then rapidly expelling air through the nose and mouth. Speed and force. Sneezing occurs at high velocity, with air expelled at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. This forceful release helps dislodge and expel irritants, allergens, or infectious agents from the nasal passages and respiratory tract. Protective function. Sneezing serves a protective function by clearing the nasal passages and respiratory system of potentially harmful substances. It helps remove allergens, dust, bacteria, viruses, and other irritants that could cause respiratory infections or discomfort. Contagious nature. Sneezing can be contagious, particularly in response to infectious agents like cold or flu viruses. Respiratory droplets expelled during sneezing can transmit pathogens to others nearby, emphasizing the importance of respiratory hygiene. Variations in conditions. Individual sneezing patterns and frequency can vary. Conditions like allergic rhinitis, hay fever, sinusitis, or nasal polyps may increase sneezing frequency or sensitivity to triggers. Post-sneeze sensations. Following a sneeze, individuals may experience temporary relief from nasal irritation or congestion. Sneezing episodes may be followed by a period of nasal discharge, rhinorrhea, or a sense of refreshment due to cleared airways. Management and prevention. Avoiding known allergens or irritants, maintaining good indoor air quality, and practicing proper hygiene, such as covering the mouth and nose when sneezing, can help minimize sneezing episodes and reduce transmission of respiratory infections. Clinical considerations. Persistent or severe sneezing, particularly when accompanied by other symptoms like nasal congestion, itching, or fever, may indicate underlying allergies, infections, or nasal disorders. Medical evaluation and treatment may be necessary for chronic sneezing or associated conditions. Understanding the science behind sneezing provides insights into its role in respiratory health, hygiene practices, and protective mechanisms against environmental irritants and pathogens. By recognizing its triggers and functions, individuals can better manage sneezing episodes and promote respiratory well-being.